this is year budget is very good.
The reason is that there are several
Right now, the first budget, it presented.
Union Finance Minister.
25 to 26 pages by Nirmala.
On first.
How much low expense there is on the.
I'm very happy. Why? Because I want to tell you, because you are my audience, and today, I think yesterday, it was announced about budget and 2025. In budget, we will discuss, and today we will tell you what is a budget, and we have a team, and it will tell you. And if I'm a farmer, I'm very happy because the limit of credit card, it has been increased. If I'm a soldier, it is a too much money in budget. And already at home we discuss about the budget. Sometime I asked from my father, I want to purchase a car, and father said to me, there is no budget. Everywhere budget. If I'm saying to my friend, go to Manali, let's go to Manali, and my friend is saying there is no budget. And we have to speak about the budget, money, earning, spending, saving. We have to think about the budget. And you can see my team, and Prince sir, so the team, this is our first team and second team. You can see the second team. So my dear, we have two teams. How many teams? Two teams. And they will discuss, and they will have a good points. And if they do mistake, please ignore it. If they do mistake, please ignore it, because it's not grammar class, it is a speaking class. And really you will enjoy, and you should watch complete video. So let's start.
I hope all you are well. So my name is Nancy. Today we are going to discuss about the budget, and I want to say about this year budget, that this year budget is very good. The allocation of the amount of every sector is very good, especially the manufacturing unit. Government in this budget, the government focus always on the manufacturing, which is very good, because government is main focus is manufacturing, so that we also can develop. India can also develop. That is a very good point. Apart from that, the budget allocation in the solar and power sectors is also good, because it helped to focus on the solar sectors and the power grids of India, which help to generate the energy without using the coal and petroleum. We should not depend on the other countries to get the oil and other fuels. So that is the good allocation in my point of view.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am, and I appreciate your point which you are discussing is us, and definitely through now means this year budget is definitely amazing as compared to the previously. The reason is that there are several sectors are there who are just identified themselves, even they are getting a huge amount for developing themselves, because our government wants to develop our nation, means the Viksit Bharat, that is the theme. And apart from it, I would say the sector each and every, and especially I belong to a farmer family, so I am very happy because the credit limited increasing, right? Before it is 3 lakh, but right now it's up to the 5 lakh. That was very amazing sign from my side, as well as from all the farmers brothers. As well as I would talk about the defense sector as well. They are getting a huge amount. That was very amazing. The budget which introduced this year, that was very amazing. And apart from it, very well, right now for a people, I'm not able to understand why most of the people are just thinking we are not getting anything. But as a normal people, as a citizen of India, we are getting several things. So we need to understand the budget. We need to understand why budget is important. Just implement in ourselves, and definitely you are getting a lot of things from the budget.
Yeah, well said, Ritik sir, as well the Nancy also. So I want to explain about the history of budget. Right now, the first budget it presented on 1860, which is James Wilson. After the James Wilson, the Republic budget, which is presented on 1950 in India. And apart from it, the budget, if we talk about the budget, so in budget 2025 we can speak about the lot of things. The LPG price has decreased. Apart from that, the leather, which is the leather industry price has also decreased. Apart from that, the many sectors, the theme which you have already spoken about, that the Viksit Bharat in 2047, we took the commitment, India will be developed. So it shows how strong we are actually. And apart from it, the Nirmala Sitharaman, who was speaking about that, our GDP is third largest GDP in the whole world. So it shows how our India is contributing themselves in the world GDP. So it shows actually.
So, Prince sir, you shared very well information regarding budget. And firstly, I want to mention that our Union Finance Minister, and Corporate Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman has passed the Union Budget on 1st February 2025. And the estimation of budget is the receipt other than borrowings and expenditure are 34.46 and the expenditures are 50.46 respectively. The estimation of budget are like this, and the fiscal deficit in GDP, GDP is 4.4, and the first engine of development is agriculture, which is including the cotton, makhana products, and cotton industries will get the benefits, and 1.7 crore farmers will get the benefits of this budget. And the yojana is Prime Minister Dhanya Krishi Yojana has been launched to provide the benefits of these kind of the farmers for producing cotton, and high yielding products are also measuring 100 districts. 100 districts will cover the to provide the high yield variety of products, and there are 100 variety of the products will be launched. And our second engine of development.
Yes, as you mentioned, all is good, and budget FY 25 to 26 passed by Nirmala Tai. Actually, Nirmala Tai passed good budget. You can say it's passed 8 time. I have want to say 2 line for Nirmala Tai. Nirmala Tai is famous more than Pushpa Bhau. Actually, he did lots of thing for our salary person. He did like lots of she did lots of like lots of allotment to Bihar also. She did lots of amount for farmer, and 500 crore to given to AI also, AI education, and she did like 26 drugs to duty free to cancer patient. That is also good. And she allotted like 50,000 lab to in school, Atal lab. This is also for our benefit for our education sector, and defense sector also give lots of amount in defense sector. Actually, first we are Indian and we need to save our country and boost our defense sector. That's why
so
it's
as
good.
budget is very important for our country, as that on first February that budget is made, and mainly that budget is very good for the defense sector as well as for the agriculture, whosoever doing the agriculture world. And budget is very important, as I mentioned, and as well as the benefits of budget are many. That the benefits, you can say that the pupils cannot be take the stress because budget help us more. And second thing, what I am saying, that by the budget we can maintain our health, as well as we can maintain our that whatever we were taking. And budget, that what is budget, that first I wanted to say about budget could be anything. That in your house, that budget could be anything. That for an example, that I want to purchase any type of bike, I'm saying to my father that I want to purchase any type of bike, so my father can say that we don't have budget could be anything. In your house, budget can everything. In the country, budget could be anything. Budget is very important thing for our world as well as for the pupils, because whosoever working in the defense sector, whosoever working in the agriculture field, they get many advantages, because the credit limits had been increased. That whosoever, that up to 12 lakhs they don't have to pay the tax, as well as that in our India, that you can see that most in that sports sector has get very good budget, because sports is important for our India. And as well as in the defense sector, you can see that most of the people are working, their salary is increased, and whatever they were earning, it will be increased in the future too, because budget is introduced in many years.
Yes, sir. I appreciate all the points, whatever you are discuss here. But the point I want to mention here, the theme of budget, like Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, that literally appreciated thing for me as well, because that theme shows how is India is like in India there is a brotherhood. That kind of things are showing by this theme. And the thing is that we can see how much low expense there is on the e-vehicles as well as for the cancer patients. We can see in 2025 to 26 budget, they shows us there is a low expense for cancer patients as well as for e-vehicle on the mobile charges. That kind of things, there is a low expense. If I'm talking about the which kind of things makes me impressed on this time, the priority of our security force, like we are giving a lot of priority to our security force, which is Air Force. I literally appreciate that kind of things, and I'm totally impressed by this budget. That's all.
So definitely the great budgets things which you all are mentioned about it, that was very amazing, and I'm getting a lot of information from you as well. But yes, of course I want to mention some few points as well, because in a budget each and everything is good for each and every one, and most of the time we are just thinking about is budget is good or not. But as I already mentioned about this year budget, it helps a lot of people even in each and every sector, not only the private sector, not only in a defense sector, not only in a railway sector, each and every sector it gives you the good amount for developing themselves, because our nation, our government wants in 2047 a developed nation, because we right now we are a developing nation, not a developed. But definitely it shows, yes, we are on a raising our legs, are raising our hand to upcoming the developed nation, or definitely we will be, because of the budget. Because budget is that thing, because if budget is not there, so we are not able to develop ourselves. As our partner means our brother mentioned about it, because India is having a third largest economy, so that means India is becoming a superpower as well. We can able to understand, and also India known as a for market as well. So it means that budget helps us a lot. But somewhere the lacking budget is that means the normal people who are living in a footpath, who don't have a own house, they are lacking for getting benefit from this budget. But definitely in upcoming year, you can say when a new budget will arise, definitely they will understand this point as well. They will do something else for those person who don't having a the own house, they are not capable to do any kind of work, so they will provide some amount for them as well. Thank you.
Okay, I agree with everyone's point. First of all, that we are talking about the theme of this year budget. So it's all focus about the consumption, increasing the consumption of the public of India. That's why our finance minister cut the income tax rate, which is one of the good thing. If people have the money, so they can expand on it. They can put the money on the market. So that is the good initiative taken by her. Apart from that, yesterday RBI governor also cut the repo rate, which also helped the normal citizen of India to take the loan at the less interest rate, which is also a very good decision taken by the RBI. But apart from that, we are talking about, if we talk about the beggar, government also allocates some amount of budget, the housing sector of PM Narendra Modi scheme, which is also very good initiative, but it takes time to take that initiative, because just it is written on the paper, not the taken initiative from the 5 to 6 years, which is the major concern. They always provide the budget on housing sector, but they are not providing the houses, which is the major concern. Apart from that, if we talk about the textile industry, which is the one of the important budget allocation, government allocated almost 11,000 crores on it to provide to establish the manufacturing unit in India, especially in textile industry, which is also good, because if we have our own manufacturing unit, we don't have to import that thing, and which is the plus point. Apart from that, the defense sector, which is also good. Of course, we focus on our defense, our borders, which is develop ourselves.
Yes, ma'am, of course you are saying good, but second phase of development in government budget is union budget is to the medium scale, micro scale and micro, small and medium scale enterprises will get the benefits. And in budgets, many schemes and many kind of the yojnas has to be launched to improve those field, just like the Bharatiya Shiksha Pustak Yojana has been launched to provide digital books in the government schools, and 50,000 labs, tinkering labs will be set up in government schools, and there are many benefits in education sector in union budget, and it is very beneficial for the education sector and all of us.
सर एक इम्पोर्टेंट